All right, in this part of our interview preparation series, let's break down something that's often underestimated, the job application. Yes, your application is not just a formality, it's your first impression. It speaks before you do. So what are the key components of a strong job application? Usually you'll be submitting two main things. One, a covering letter. This is where you show how well your background and experience match the job requirements. This letter should be clear, focused, and tailored to the job. No generic messages here. You want the employer to feel like you wrote it only for them. Two, your CV or resume. This is your marketing document. It needs to highlight your strengths, skills, and achievements in a professional way. Keep it well structured, easy to read, and most importantly, relevant to the role you're applying for. Now, sometimes the company might ask you to fill out a standard application form. If that happens, make sure you type it neatly, double check all spelling and grammar, follow every instruction exactly. Even small errors can hurt your chances. Here's something most people forget. If your application is successful and you're offered an interview, your response matters too. Send a positive response letter. This letter should confirm that you'll attend the interview and express that you're looking forward to the conversation. A simple, confident message can go a long way. Now let's talk about something interesting. Scheduling the interview. If the company lets you choose a time, use this chance smartly. If you're a morning person, pick a morning slot. That's when your mind is freshest. Try to avoid interviews on Mondays or Fridays. Mondays, people are still catching up. Fridays, they're already thinking about the weekend. Also, if you can choose your position in the interview schedule, that's even better. Here's the insider tip. Don't be the first. The panel is still settling in and they haven't formed a benchmark yet. Avoid straight after lunch. Interviewers might feel sleepy or distracted. And don't be the last. By then, they're tired, running late, and your session might get cut short. The best time? Second last for the day. By then, the interviewers are warmed up, comparisons have started, and you'll still get their full attention. Once the interview is set, do your homework. Get as much information as you can about the company. What products or services they offer, who their customers are, their structure, how the company is organized, the exact details of the job role, their company history and future goals. Why is this important? Because this shows you're serious. It helps you speak their language during the interview. You won't just talk about yourself. You'll talk about how you fit into their world. And finally, make sure you know who is interviewing you.